Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will show you how you can easily log in into the federal online banking account. Now to begin the process, first of all, you open browser on your PC and on the search bar you can type in www.federalbank.co.in and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Federal Bank. Once you're at the web page, you need to move your cursor to the four horizontal lines on the right side of your screen. Click on it. Then here from there you choose login, and on the sidebar you need to click on internet banking. Now here you choose the banking where you want to sign up. So here click on personal banking. Here you just click on continue to log in. Now to get logged in, you type in your user ID over here. Then you type in the password. And here the verification code, that is the number beside it, and click on login. With this you will be logged in into your federal online banking. This is how you can easily log in into the banking service. But if you forgot your user ID or password, you can very easily recover it as well. For that you need to click on this link provided below for forgot password. Here you provide all the details over here, that is your user ID and then the card number and ATM PIN. Now you type in the date of expiry and type in the verification code from site and click on continue. With this you will be able to recover your forgotten password easily, as bank will provide you the further details. Similarly, for the forgotten user ID, you can click on this link. Now here you first type in your account number, then the mobile number that from where you have registered, and the verification code, that is the code from the sidebar, and click on continue. This way you will be able to recover your forgotten user ID. This is how you can easily log in into the federal online banking. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.